Hello guys, in this session we are going to discuss about how we are going to collect the data into the set interface object. Basically in the previous session we have been discussed that how we are going to collect the data into the list interface object, and we discussed about some overview about the stream collectors, why we are going to use the stream collectors. If you have not visited that video, I will suggest you to go ahead and visit that video. There I have given some overview about the stream collectors and basic idea about how we can collect the stream data to the list interface object. Now in this session we are basically concentrating on how to collect the stream data into the set interface object. So let me go ahead and create a class. Create a Java class stream demo06. Provide a main method over here. Keep it as it is. I am going to write one custom method, public static collect stream data to set. This is my custom method. In this custom method, the first step is that we have to create a stream of an string. Create a stream of an string. I will take an array of string. So let me take an array of string array of string, and we have to provide some input data for this array of string. So what's the input data we can provide? We can provide some name, right? So let me provide some name. The first name is Archana, the second name is Kumar, the third name I can take as Devans, fourth name I can take as Manish, the fifth name I can take as Ashok. Let me put into the string. The fifth name I will take as an Alex. Now the next step is that we have to create the stream of an string, right? So create stream. So for creating a stream, what we need to do, we have to use stream of an string. Stream1 I can take equal to stream dot of is a static method. Call this of method and provide this array of string over there. Now in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to filter the data. And what is my filter criteria? Filter the data. It is nothing but an intermediate operation which will internally generate a new stream. So my filter criteria is that filter the name which is starting with A. Now what I need to do, I have all the data which is available inside this array of string currently available on stream 1. I will take this stream 1 dot, I will call the filter method. I will apply my criteria. So I will take str, use the lambda expression, str dot, we have starts with, use A. This is my criteria. The name should start with A. Okay, let us check what this method is returning. This is returning stream of an string. So stream of an string stream2 equal to this. Now we have a new stream that came after an intermediate operation. I will use that stream and collect the information for that stream into the set. So what I need to do, I will take this stream stream2 dot collect method I will call. I will have collectors class, collectors dot toSet method is available, yes. Then after that I will check what is the return type of this method, set of string. Okay, so I will store the information into the set of string. Collected, just import the package. After importing the package, I will print the set content. So let me print the set content. What is my expectation? Expectation should be, one is the Archana, that should be the content of this set element, right? Second is the Ashok, right? And third is the Alex. These three elements should come into the set object. Let me run this program and check the output, right? Okay, So nothing is coming. Why it is not printing anything? Because we are not using this method inside the main method. Let me use this method inside the main. Run this program again. Now you can see our expectation was these three contents should be there: Archana, Ashok and Alex. These three contents are available. Now if I wanted any name which is started with D, only one content Devans will come into the picture. Let us check the output. So Devans is coming over here. So if I wanted to calibrate all these lines that is available over here into one single line, then what I need to do, I will just comment these lines. Okay, let me comment these two lines and calibrate into one line. So we have a stream 1, right? Stream 1 dot collect method, sorry, I will call the filter method because I have a filter criteria, and in the filter method I will just use the lambda expression x, assigning this value x dot starts with a dot collect collectors dot to set, right? Let me check what is the collect method is returning. Set of string. Store this information into the set of string. Use this reference over here for an assignment purpose. Now let me run this program again. I am expecting the output Archana, Ashok and Alex. These three contents should be available. So you can find these contents are available over here. So guys, this is the way through which you can collect the stream data into the set. It is very easy. Hope this session will be helpful for you. Please go ahead, subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for your time and thanks a lot.